Today, we're going to explore a simple and powerful way to help your plants thrive by using something you can easily make at home. It's called lactic acid bacteria, and it's a natural solution that can transform your soil. LAB is a type of beneficial bacteria that helps break down organic matter in the soil, making nutrients more available to plants. It also protects your garden from harmful diseases, helping plants grow stronger and healthier. So, how do you make it? Let's take a look. We begin with something you probably already have in your kitchen: rice. Take 1 glass of uncooked white rice and add it to a container with 1 liter of clean water. Stir it really well to release all the nutrients and starches from the rice. The water will turn cloudy, but don't throw this water away. Instead, give it to your plants. It's full of nutrients they will love. Now, refill the container with fresh water and stir the rice again. This water can also go to your plants. Finally, add water to the rice for the 3rd time and stir it again. This time, we're keeping the water. Strain the rice out and pour the water into a separate container. Now, we're going to let this rice water ferment. Cover the container with a cloth or a lid, but make sure it's not airtight. Air needs to get in to help the fermentation process. Let the container sit at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. During this time, the rice water will start to ferment, creating the perfect environment for the next step. After the rice water has fermented, we're going to add milk. You'll want to use 1 part milk to the rice water, so for every 1 liter of rice water, add 100 milliliters of milk. Stir the mixture well and cover it loosely again. Let it sit at room temperature for 3 to 7 days. If the temperature is about 32 degrees Celsius, it is during the day, and 20 degrees Celsius at night, like it is here, it might take only 3 days for the next phase to happen. What you'll notice is that the mixture will start to separate into solid curds and liquid whey. Once this separation happens, it's time to strain the mixture. The liquid whey that you collect is packed with lactic acid bacteria, the beneficial soil bacteria that will do wonders for your garden. Store this liquid in a clean container and keep it in the fridge. It will last for several months if you store it properly. To use your lactic acid bacteria solution, dilute it by adding 1 liter of the liquid whey to 15 liters of water. This diluted mixture can be applied directly to your plants and soil. If you have a larger garden, you can boost the mixture by adding brown sugar or molasses to the whey, letting it sit for 24 hours, and then diluting it even more for bigger coverage. The benefits of using lactic acid bacteria in your garden are huge. It helps to break down organic matter quickly, turning it into nutrients that plants can use. It also keeps harmful microbes away, making your plants stronger and more resistant to diseases. And the best part? It's a completely natural way to improve your soil and grow healthier plants. By following these simple steps, you'll create a powerful solution for your garden that will last for months, giving your plants everything they need to thrive.